What is up guys, Dan at this side. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on 18 plus content settings in Telegram, how to turn on the settings. So first you need to head over to web Telegram's website, and then on the left side you need to click on the three dots and then click on settings. After clicking on settings, you just need to scroll down until you find the privacy and security option. After clicking on privacy and security, you just need to scroll down again, and then you just need to just check this. If you have the option to see 18 plus sensitive content, just simply check that. And if you see this option like disable filtering, like do not hide this media that contains suitable only for adults, just simply check this. So this will not hide any uh, content which contains sensitive content, and this won't apply any filters. So just check this if you have this option, and uncheck if you have that another option, or if you have the option of show 18 plus content settings, just simply check on that. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.